Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Minecraft error code 0x803f8001. Okay? So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So the Minecraft launcher error 0x803f8001 is an issue some users have discussed on support forums. The users say that error arises when they try to start the Minecraft launcher. Some users have also reported that issue occurs when trying to download and install Minecraft from Microsoft Store. Okay? So the first thing that you can do is to sign out and back into the Microsoft Store. So you can just go ahead and pause this video so that you can follow these steps. Okay, so the Minecraft Launcher app is closely connected with your Microsoft Store account. Signing out and back into the Microsoft Store app can visibly resolve some account synchronization issues and glitches. So just go ahead and follow this step so that you can log out and back into Microsoft Store as follows. So first, open the Microsoft Store window from the Start menu. And again, you can pause this video so that you can see these steps and you can follow it. Then second, click the profile picture at the top of the Microsoft Store right here and select the Sign Out option. So click the profile circle again to select Sign In. So select your Microsoft account and click Continue. Okay, so that is how you do the first method. For the second one, update Windows. And again, pause this video so that you can follow these steps. First, press the Windows key plus the I key combination to open Settings. Click Windows Update on the left of the Settings apps. If the Windows Update tab shows optional updates are available, click the Download and Install options. So now click Check for updates to download and install further available updates. And lastly, restart your PC after updating. Okay? So that is the second method. For the third one, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. As the Microsoft Launcher and MS Store are both UWP or Universal Windows Platform apps, the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter might provide a solution. The Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter can fix various app issues, which fortunately includes this error. Okay, so to do that, follow these steps. Launch System Settings to view the System tab. Click the Troubleshoot and other Troubleshooters navigation options in Settings. Scroll down to Windows Store Apps and click the Run button for that troubleshooter. Okay, so the troubleshooter will open and scan for app issues, apply any potential resolutions it suggests. Okay, so just go ahead and follow these steps and you should be able to run the Windows Store Apps troubleshooter. For the fourth one, repair corrupted system files. So to do that, follow these steps. First, to open the search box, press the Windows button plus S key both at the same time. Look for the command prompt by entering CMD in the search box. Right-click on the command prompt in your search results and select the Run as Administrator Launch option. Before you run a system file checker scan, type in this command, press Enter to execute. Okay, so this one, so dism.exe /online/cleanup-image/restore health. Okay, then input this command and hit return to run the sfc scan. Okay, so sfc /scan now. Wait until the system file checker soon is 100% complete and shows some kind of outcome within the command prompt window. Okay. Now, for the fifth one. So this is the fifth one, right? So reset the Microsoft Store and Minecraft launcher via settings. And again, to do that, follow these steps. So Minecraft launcher via the settings app includes a reset option for apps that resets app data when selected, as that option can fix apps that aren't working right. It is recommended that it is recommended that you reset data for both Microsoft Store and Minecraft Launcher. Okay, so first open settings with its hotkey or from the start menu. Select the Apps tab inside Settings. Click Apps and Features to view your PC's app lists. Next, click the three-dot button for the Microsoft Store app, right here. Select Advanced Options to bring up the Reset button. Then click the Reset option. Select the Reset again on the confirmation prompt. Note that you can also select a repair option that's just above the reset button. If resetting doesn't do the trick, try selecting the repair option for Microsoft Store. Repeat the previous or these above steps for the Microsoft Launcher app. Okay? For the sixth one, reset the Microsoft Store cache. The Minecraft launcher error might occur because of a corrupted Microsoft Store cache. As such, resetting that corrupted cache could be fixed you're looking for. You can reset the Microsoft Store cache with the wsreset.exe file like this. Okay, so again, follow these steps. First, bring up the Power User menu with the Windows plus X keyboard shortcut. Open Run by selecting it on that menu. Type wsreset.exe in the Open dialog box. Click OK to reset Microsoft Store's cache. OK. Next, this is register the Microsoft Store via an elevated PowerShell. Okay, so sometimes registering the Microsoft Store using an elevated PowerShell does the trick. Okay, so first open the Windows search box and enter the keyword PowerShell there. Select Run as Administrator for the PowerShell search result to launch that app. Okay. Then next, and so by the way, this is also what you need to do in order to re-register the Microsoft Store via an elevated PowerShell. So after you've done this, copy and paste this command into PowerShell and hit enter to execute. Okay, so just go ahead and copy this. So you can also manually type this, and I will also add this on the description box below. Okay. And then next is to input the second command in the PowerShell window. So this is the command, and this is what it looks like. Okay. Then now press the enter keyboard key to run the command. Okay. Then now reinstall the Microsoft Store. So you might need to fix a corrupted Microsoft Store installation to resolve this error. Reinstalling Microsoft Store will likely fix such an issue. However, you can't uninstall the app via settings. So to reinstall it, you will need to enter a couple of PowerShell commands like this. Okay, so like this. So open PowerShell as covered in steps 1 and 2 of Resolution 7. So uninstall Microsoft Store, input this command and hit enter. So this is the command that you need to type: get-app xpackage /all users asterisk Windows Store asterisk, then this line, remove -app xpackage. Restart Windows before reinstalling Microsoft Store again. Okay. Now, reinstall the Microsoft Store. So bring up PowerShell and input this command. Press the Enter keyboard key to install Microsoft Store. Now reinstall the Minecraft Launcher app. So, What you need to do is again, follow these steps. So a lot of users have confirmed that reinstalling the Minecraft Launcher app fixes this error, so maybe you should try that as well. This is how you can reinstall the Microsoft Launcher. First, open the Settings window, select Apps, then Apps and Features to open a software list. Scroll down to Microsoft Launcher and click the button with three dots on the right of that app. Select the Uninstall option to remove Microsoft Launcher, then click the Restart Start menu option before reinstalling the app. Okay, so those are some of the potential resolutions with which players have fixed Minecraft Launcher error 0x803f8001 in Windows 11 and 10. So just maybe, one of those fixes might resolve that error on your PC too. We don't promise those potential errors solutions are guaranteed to work for all players, but they are all worth a shot at least, okay? And that's it for this video. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day. So I'm sorry, this is 3 steps for reinstalling the Minecraft Launcher app, okay? So just go ahead and pause it. So I'm sorry for my mistake, and that's it.